Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use templates in monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have an account here. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the home screen, my work and favorites, and of course, your main workspace. Also, in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile, as you can see here. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use templates in monday.com. So to add a new board from one of their, of course, templates on their website, open the left pane and click on the plus button right under the name of the workspace you're working in. So here you have your workspace that you're working in. You just need to go and click on that here. Then guys, next click on choose from templates, and to visit, then you'll be able to visit the template center, where you can then go and check out any template that you would actually go and like to use for your work. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this very informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.